dark outside and I actually need to leave for my Pilates class soon, so I'm not gonna eat my breakfast right now, but I do need to prep it because today I'm gonna be making a chia seed pudding, and chia seeds, you have to soak them, so that's what I'm gonna prep right now. So while I get ready, I am gonna be drinking my ginger lime tea, which I'm gonna make right now as well, and it's just a really nice way to start my day and wake up my body. Here's what the bowl looks like so far. I try to make it as colorful as possible. I'm gonna add some walnuts and pumpkin seeds in here because it adds the healthy fats. Here's my pumpkin seeds. How beautiful the bowl looks. So the main thing that I focus on when I'm making my meals is having healthy fats, getting enough protein, having enough vitamins and minerals, and the main thing is keeping my blood sugar balanced. As a vegetarian, I feel like it's so easy to load up on carbs, so I feel like that would cause high blood sugar levels over the years, and it runs in my family, which is why I'm so careful about it. So over the years, I've noticed when my blood sugar is imbalanced, my skin just breaks out right away, especially on the jawline right here. It's so red and irritated, and if I'm stressed on top of it, I also get eczema. So the main thing I have to watch out for is just keeping my blood sugar balance, and that's why my skin looks really clear and glowy right now. Okay, let's dig in this breakfast because my stomach is really rumbling. There's one sound that would actually wake me up. It's this. Oh yes, Nescafe, if you're watching, you better sponsor me. After every meal, I like to move a little bit just for 5 to 10 minutes because it's supposed to be really good for your blood sugar. So I'm gonna clean my place a little bit because it's looking really messy. Okay, for lunch, I tend to eat something very light, and a lot of the times I'll skip it depending if I'm hungry or not. The thing about me, I'll never force myself to eat if I'm not hungry. I just listen to my stomach. Today, I'm feeling like eating something cold and really juicy, so I guess I'm gonna make cucumber salad. I love when you cut cucumbers this way and eating it with chopsticks. It just tastes a lot better. I just finished work, so I'm gonna get started on dinner. But I'm so excited today because I'm actually gonna be making chana masala, and my mom actually makes it the best, but I think I'm pretty decent at it. So yeah, let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to mention one very important thing, especially if you're trying to improve your skin, is to not eat after 8 p.m. This one thing has significantly changed my skincare game because it literally caused so much inflammation in my skin. First of all, your hormones gets distressed, your blood sugar levels are through the roof. So if you're a late night snacker, yeah, you may want to stop doing that, especially if your skin is going through it. Now, tea, you can have water, just no food whatsoever. And I know it's really hard, but trust me, this is gonna transform your skin at the end of the day. While the chana masala is cooking, I'm gonna make a little dessert today because I've been really craving something sweet. And don't get me wrong, I don't have sweet dessert after dinner every single day, just maybe once or twice a week. But I don't like depriving myself of anything. So yeah, 80% of the time I'll be healthy, but I will have my sweet treats 20% of the time.